Hi YouTube, this is Smriti and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back with another fitness challenge and this time it's ab workout. So this is a 13-minute ab challenge from Kela It Sciences which I found on Pop Sugar Fitness's website. So I'll link everything in the description box below. You guys can check it out from there. So this workout routine, it consists of 7 exercises which are done back to back, and each exercise has to be done for 30 seconds each. So that means you have to perform all the 7 exercises for 30 seconds each. This is known as one set. So we have to repeat this workout routine for 3 sets, and these are all exercises, they have to be done back to back. But once you finish one set, then you can take 30 seconds break or 60 seconds break depending on your fitness level. The best part of this workout routine is that it's zero equipment, which means no equipment is required in this ab workout. So I took this workout routine and did this as a challenge for 7 number of days. I'll share my results towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Now with this workout routine, I started by doing 5 minutes of cardio and a light stretching to warm up my muscles. And after completing the workout, I did a little bit of stretching as cool down. So I just completed day 2 of Kela's Express Abs, and I have to admit that one of the exercise in this ab routine is it's very tough for me, and that is high plank Supermans. On day 1 also I modified that exercise, and on day 2 also I wasn't able to do the regular exercise. I have to modify that. And so the thing is, high planks, they are already tough on me, and Kela has also added Supermans on top of it, so that has made the single exercise combinational, and that combination it's deadly. Just tell me what you want. Today is day 3rd of Kela's workout routine, and today's workout is all done. I have completed all the 8 exercises today, but in the video which I am making, I am going to show you one exercise per day, and today's exercise will be bent leg jackknives. So breathing technique is very important if we are doing any of the ab routines. So how you inhale, exhale will eventually give you more results, better results, if you are if you know when to inhale and when to exhale while doing the workout. Bent leg jackknives is one of the most famous exercises for your upper abs and your lower abs. So when you crunch and simultaneously you exhale, then at the end of the day or at the end of this workout routine, you are going to feel sore in your upper and lower abs. And this exercise is particularly one of the best exercises I have seen on myself, that leaves me sore. day 4 of this express ab routine is completed, and the exercise which I am going to demonstrate today is X mountain climbers. So it's a high plank position in which you bring your knee towards your opposite elbow, and simultaneously activating your core muscles and squeezing the abs area. So I think soon after performing this exercise, you will start to feel the burn in overall abs area. And after performing 5 to 6 repetitions of X mountain climbers, or normal mountain climbers, I struggle to I struggle with my form. I try to maintain it as good as possible, but yeah, I think I struggle with high plank positions. Hey fam, so today was day 7 of Kailash Express app, and I'm so happy to say that with today's workout being done, I have completed this app challenge. And the exercise which I'm going to demonstrate today is flutters, and it's a great exercise for lower abs. And in this exercise they say that try to keep your legs as straight as possible while doing the workout. But it's really hard for me to keep my legs straight for the whole 30 seconds. So I try to modify by bending my legs for some time in between. But I say that do your best. So no matter what exercise you are doing, if you are challenging your body, if you are feeling that this exercise is hard for me, then take my word for it, that exercise is working for you, and that workout or that particular exercise, it's going to give you results. So with that being said, maintaining good form, good posture is the key to any workout. So I have taken fitness challenges previously also, and one of them was Chloe Ting's 2022 week shred, and I got incredible results from it. So I'll link the video right here. Just click on the link and check out my video. If you like this video, smash the like button and leave a comment below and let me know which fitness challenge would you like me to do next. Your comments are always appreciated. And subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.